questions coming in. Now, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi has reacted to the ongoing CJP protest and also targeted Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over the NEET row. She spoke to the media amid the continuing political confrontation over the issue. Let's in fact listen into what she had to say.
आपको क्या लगता है कि ये लोकतंत्र हमारा बच रहा है? क्या लगता है आपको? हमारे साथ जो हुआ वो इररिलेवेंट है। हम स्टूडेंट्स के साथ हैं, उनकी आवाज़ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो हुआ आप ही बताइए, सही है कि गलत है? बच्चे हैं सारे, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कोई ऐसे प्रोटेस्ट नहीं है, जेन्युइन इशू है, जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम है। सारे इस देश के सारे माँ बाप जानते हैं, इस देश के सारे स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं, इस देश के सारी टीचर्स भी जानती हैं, सब जानते हैं। तो एक जेन्युइन मामला है, जेन्युइन इशू है, उस पे स्टूडेंट सिर्फ अपना अधिकार मांग रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं मांग रहे हैं। वो सिर्फ ये कह रहे हैं हमें अपना अधिकार दो। हमें कब आप हर एग्जाम को क्या पेपर लीक करा रहे हो? बच्चे इतना संघर्ष करके पढ़ाई करते हैं, अपने लिए एक फ्यूचर देखते हैं, आप उस फ्यूचर को बिगाड़ रहे हो। आपने पूरी एजुकेशन बजट का क्या, आपने 1.4 लाख करोड़ पूरी एजुकेशन बजट है पूरे देश के यूथ के लिए, और अडानी जी और अंबानी जी को आप 16 लाख करोड़ आप मुफ्त में लोन माफी कर रहे हो। किसानों को कुछ नहीं, गरीबों को कुछ नहीं, स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ नहीं, और ऊपर से स्टूडेंट्स को इतना खर्चना पड़ रहा है, फैमिलीज को इतना खर्चना पड़ रहा है, लोन लेते हैं। सिर्फ नीट के एग्जाम में जो 22 लाख फैमिलीज हैं, उनका खर्चा 1.32 लाख।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Anand Singh, who has more information on this front as well. Anand, this is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is also giving out her statement regarding this entire protest that is happening in the national capital currently, and she's saying these are students who have a valid demand. They are in fact protesting for their rights. They seek a uniform exam system, and hence the government should be listening to them. And this is what her statement actually says. What more could you tell us regarding this?
Yes, Shivani, look, if we talk especially about Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is a Lok Sabha MP from Kerala's Wayanad, she has given an emotional touch to the student protest by mentioning that the treatment that was meted out to Congress MPs was irrelevant. If we compare the same kind of treatment that was meted out with the student, where the police used excesses, they fired tear gas cells, they lathi charged them, and what for? Because the students were seeking accountability from the government over paper leaks. The students were seeking accountability from the government on the irregularities in CBSE examination process and result announcement. And she further mentioned that the way in which the families they have to spend huge amount of money on their education, they have to suffer because the age of a student passes, and then they are no more able to compete in several competitive exams of the government, and then they have to spend lakhs of rupees on their coaching and other hostel fees and school or tuition fees in several institutions across the country just to prepare for several competitive examinations like NEET, like IIT JEE, and all these things she has mentioned. And then she stated that the students they are looking to have a dialogue with government, and but what they have been mated with, they have been mated with such brutal action from the police. Instead of the government should have listened to them, they had just tried to suppress the voice of a student. And she further highlighted that how the India's education budget is of 1.4 lakh crore, whereas only 22 lakh students who appear for NEET or JEE examination, they spend around 1.3 lakh crore annually. So if we compare the union education budget with that is the expenditure of 22 lakh students on preparing for NEET and JEE examinations, then these budgets look very small, and the government should increase the budget of education from its quota so that a proper education system is there in place. Even Rahul Gandhi has mentioned that how the India's education system has collapsed completely. It's no more education system system that provides selection, but it's a rejection model. This is what he has been highlighting through his Chhatron Ki Goonj program that he had held in Rajasthan Kota on June 17th and then in Uttarakhand's Dehradun on July 17th. So the Congress party has been targeting government over the issue of the paper leaks, and now Priyanka Gandhi Vadra connecting an emotional chord with the students, with the middle class families who have to spend huge amount of money on the education of their students. Back to you, Shivani.
Right, Anand. I'll request you to please stay on with us as we continue to track some more developments. Well, leaders of several opposition parties are meeting in the chamber